Hello, my cherished viewers I don't play with, and the beautiful people out there. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again, Jeho Documentary Project, JDP Documentary for short. In this content or video, I am going to throw more light on how to set yourself free from the affliction or whatever captivity you find yourself in. It could be in your workplace, in your church, marketplace, in your offices, schools, etc., etc. By the help of using or reading Psalm 35 alongside an ordinary water like this, and you are set free, you are gone. The name is Amwakohene Jeho. You can simply call me Nyamedifo Guy. Wait for me whilst I'm going for a quick skippable commercial break, and when I return I'll give you the details or the application in which you must pass through or go through before your prayer can work effectively on you. Niame pachiri nyane se sorry, bebreba me pachiri nyane se ene adisua no ne a me be kire ane se ekwa ebe fa so abompa ye edi atamfo so how amanehunu ni atete ni nkwada na ye namu ni enesu esu ye no ni nia oye ye no ekwa ebe fa so abompa ye edi omo so yembre na no ye be use Psalm 35 na nsuo we so mechire wade a wode beye I mema on pipe no edim na oso wade wo ho na nsunuma bi eda so ana talent bi anyamede ma wo wonso obetimi di ayedwuma na ehwo abamfaso ama wo eni wo busuafo afi nso aye enimonyam hye ama ono asafo ewrade twemi abra me ko commercial break ana me koje inkratoyi ko pesika kakra ba isanse programming metumi wasi wose mechire nioma for free senebe ya obi nkoda da enyu sika se fisika se bra na mema wakwanja na memo mpae ma na menye bibise ma memo mohwe video we ya ebeye nshira ama na wo so wetimi ase whisika na wodi abobra twemi na mebesisi mediani amwakohene te se de mekae no but opeso afremi odifo gagai mebesisi Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. To say the meka chire ono say me kwaje nkrato kitwe bi every YouTube for ho. Na me ba me the details ni the applications no ebebro. Ekwan be first we use nsuo we ene Psalm 35 e dia bompaye. Na wati me di watamfo so. Na fe so nsuno me bi eda wo so ana chede bi urade de ma eba asase yi so no. Ebe peja na wadi yie ne ba ne sa ede ni monyam hyebe ma ono asafo ewrade afen so ebi aka ebusua ofiri mu ana eku bi a wo me da se woje samre no na me so me de ose ebe yoyo eye free enti jemre ne hwe me di show say ene teachings no wo be follow no pepepe accordingly se ne be ya umpai bono ewrade ebe bie soro ma abofo abeje mpaibo no akoma no na ehunmu ayenso etumi aba na wade wo enipa hu omobo sometimes me bompaye na metimi hu ade bi obi hu a aya na ye meden se me ka kire se enipa no se madam ana mister se ni ana me hu afa eti bompaye se ana ye se na emfa asumdwe emra obabo ugokei nipa ne be tage wo obefro edin ahodo obekase bi kura ne sika bi mpo na obepaadi enso no me ye brefo pa me gire me hu ye dwumaden me nda obi a ana mani nda obi a so ne mo ono asafo urade obo ade no otumfo nyankopon no na mani da ne so nti we no eye free. You have every right to accept this prayer guidelines or reject it. A word to the wise. Good. Without wasting much time, let me proceed in giving you the punchlines or the guidelines so that you'll be able to pray effectively to defeat your enemies. In other words, back to sender by using Psalm 35 or reading Psalm 35 together with water. Okay. Yes, Emren, Psalm 35. Psalm 35. You read it from 1, I could see the end. If you are not mature idea of this, you but before say, we will read Psalm 35. Be soon so. As you can see, we new. We be so. So what you see? Good. Now the meeting at all. And we day 1. So our teachings we will be repeating 3 days before say I take effect and I yeduma ama. Into day 1 and a mature will be in no so. Fresh water wakoto free supermarket. The word be so. Now the meeting at all. Now the result left us home. Sorry. Now what be or Bible? Psalm 35. Till ye ready for day 1. David and na airboss empire way. Na a for some. As I say, in pain for Cassabi say, a dom any Sunday or soon takrache. David know what you're hearing. I will sing a upon name our sassy so. In the Bible Britanno, in the Bible Nissan, a bit penashiasie. Ebi pene nimguasi, ebi pene uwu, ebi pene yare. If you no one cry, ni yemuba or pene down for. Which you are say, I will say, media menyo be abone, menyo be having to be intimate. You have every right to say that. You have every right to follow these teachings and then follow the prayer guidelines. A word to the wise. Me semble me twaso. Psalm 35. Contend, Lord, with those who contend with me. Fight against those who fight against me. Take hold of shield and buckler and stand up for my help. Brandish the spear and block those who pursue me. Tell my soul, I am your salvation. Let those who seek after my soul be disappointed and brought to dishonor. Let those who plot my ruin be turned back and confounded. Let them be a chaff before the wind. The Lord's angel driven them on. Let their way be dark and slippery. The Lord's angel pursuing them. For without cause they have hidden their net in a pit for me. Without cause they have dug a pit for my soul. Let destruction come on him unawares. Let his net that he has hidden catch himself. Let him fall into that destruction. My soul shall be joyful in the Lord. It shall rejoice in his salvation. All my bones shall say, Lord, who is like you? Who delivers the poor from him? Who is too strong for him? Yes, the poor and the needy from him who robs him. Unrighteous witness rise up. They ask me about things that I do not know about. They reward me evil for good. But as for me, when they were sick, my clothing was sackcloth. I was afflicted my soul with fasting, and my prayer returned into my own bosom. I behaved myself as though it had been my friend or my brother. I bowed down mourning as one who mourns his mother. But in my adversity, they rejoiced and gathered themselves together. The attackers gathered themselves together against me, and I did not know it. They tore at me and did not cease. They put me to the test. They mock me relentlessly. They gnashed their teeth at me. Lord, how long will you look on? Rescue my soul from their destruction, my precious life from the lions. I will give you thanks in the great assembly. I will praise you among many people. Do not let those who are my enemies wrongfully rejoice over me. Lord, do not keep silent. No, do not keep silent. Do not be far from me. Sure. Wake up, rise up to defend me. My God, my Lord, contend for me. Vindicate me. Lord, my God, according to your righteousness. Do not let them gloat over me. Do not let them say in their heart, ha 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 ha, our desire. Do not let them say, we have swallowed him up. No, do not allow them. Let them be put to shame and confounded together who rejoice at my calamity. Let them be clothed with shame and dishonor who magnify themselves against me. Let them shout for joy and be glad who favor my righteous cause. And let them say continually, the Lord be magnified, who delights in the peace of his servant. My tongue shall talk about your righteousness and about your praise all day long. So shall it be. After several reading Psalm 35 review for day 1, then you cover the water. Now we see what. After reading the scriptures for day 1, you cover the water and you put it there. Leave it for the next day. So the next day when you come, you open it again. That is day 2. Then you read the same Psalm 35 by David. Contend, Lord, with those who contend with me. Fight against those who fight against me. Downwards to the end. That is day 2. Then you cover the water again. You put it in a safer place where a child can never have access to it. That is day 2. Day 3, you open it once again for the last time. Then you read Psalm 35 from 1 to the end. Contend, Lord, with those who contend with me. Fight against those who fight against me. Take hold of shield and buckler and stand up for my help. Brandish the spear, etc., etc., blah blah blah. Then you read to the end for the last day. When you finish, don't close it again. Then you drink the water. Make sure you drink it within 1 hour time. Supposing you are using a big bottle like this, you can use a big bottle like this. If you have so many problems, so many attacks, you can use a bottle like this. Then after that, make sure you drink it within an hour. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, JDP Documentary, and also click on the notification button so that whenever I drop a new content, you'll be the first person to get it. My name is Samuakohene Jeho. You can simply call me Nyamidifo Gagai. You have every right to do whatever you want to do. You have every right to say, you have every right to follow these teachings and read the scripture in addition, and then get yourself free and go. A word to the wise: